This is my latest Lego Rescue and Restore. It's the Steamboat Willie set, which is a Disney set. It commemorates the very first appearance of Mickey Mouse. I was able to find the majority of this set, probably about 90%, in a big bulk lot that I bought. I was able to find about another, 8%. So in my own personal bulk collection that I had at home. But I did have to purchase the minifigures and some specialty pieces from two different vendors, which cost me about $25. So all in all, I was about $35 into the set, which this set is currently selling for about $80 for a used set. So $35 is a little bit less than half price. So it looks good in our Disney bathroom. We're kind of Disney people at our house, so pretty impressed with this set. Great addition to the bathroom. Can't wait to have some more Lego Rescue and Restore adventures.